Hello and welcome to your Big Bear Real Estate Market Report for August 2025. This past month has been incredibly active, giving us a clear and detailed snapshot of the market's performance as we head into the fall. Whether you're thinking of buying, selling, or just curious about the value of your mountain home, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. So let's look at the big picture for August. The market was buzzing with activity. A total of 68 homes sold across the valley. This level of activity resulted in a total sales volume of more than $38 million, which is a testament to the continued strong demand for properties in Big Bear. Now, what about prices? The average sold price for a home in August was approximately $563,000. But as we often see, the luxury market can pull that average up significantly. A more representative figure is the median sold price, which came in at $476,000. This means that half of the homes sold in August were above this price, and half were below. It is a solid indicator of the typical price point for a home in our area right now. When we consider the size of the home that was sold, the average square foot was about 1,460 square foot, with the median close behind that at 1,328 square foot. This gives us an average price per square foot of around $392. This metric is vital for accurately pricing properties and buyers to understand the value that they are getting. The range of prices this month was vast, which is characteristic of the diverse real estate landscape we have up here in Big Bear. The most affordable home sold in August was a charming cabin located at 510 Sugarloaf Boulevard. This one closed for $171,000. On the other end of the spectrum, the highest price sale was a beautiful lakeside property at 187 Bayside Drive, which sold for an impressive $1,250,000. This incredible range highlights that there is truly a property for every budget and lifestyle here in the mountains. Now, let's take a tour of the various neighborhoods to see which areas are the most active. Big Bear City was by far the busiest in August, with 18 homes sold. It remains a highly sought after area. Following closely behind that was Moonridge with 15 sales, making it another hot spot, likely due to its proximity to ski slopes and the zoo. In terms of sales price by area, the luxury market in areas like Fox Farm and Big Bear Lake's Eagle Point neighborhood commanded the highest values. The average sales price in Fox Farm was over $1 million, driven by several high-end sales. On the other hand, though, for buyers looking for more value, Sugarloaf offered an average sales price of around $410,000 across its 7 sales this month. So what kind of homes were selling in August? Every single one of the 68 sales recorded was a single family home. This month, the market out classic Big Bear cabin and mountain home. Looking at the size of these homes, the most common configuration was the 3-bedroom layout, which accounted for 24 of the sales. Right behind that were 2-bedroom homes with 18 sales. This tells us that homes can accommodate small families or serve as a comfortable getaway for a group are in very high demand. We also saw a good number of larger 4-bedroom homes sell, with 12 transactions in that category. For homeowners thinking about selling, one of the most critical questions is how much of their asking price can they expect to receive. In August, the average sold price was 97.5% of the original list price. This indicates a healthy, balanced market where sellers are pricing their homes accurately and buyers are finding value. So let's break that down a little bit further. 8 sold for more than their asking price, which suggests that in certain price point and locations, we are still seeing competitive situations and bidding wars. At the same time, a significant number of homes, 49 to be exact, sold for less than the list price, showing that buyers have room for negotiation. Additionally, 11 homes sold for the exact asking price, hitting the nail right on the head. Now let's put a spotlight on the luxury segment of the market. The top of the market in August was incredibly strong. The 5 highest sales prices. Number 5, the beautiful home at 114 Starvation Flats Road in Big Bear Lake, which sold for $1,185,000. Fourth, we had a gorgeous 6-bedroom home at 159 Stony Creek Road in Fox Farm, which just closed at $1,235,000. Third, another stunning property on the same street, 199 Stony Creek Road, which just sold for $1,245,000. And finally, for the most expensive home sold in August at $1,250,000. These were the properties at 187 Bayside Drive in Eagle Point area of Big Bear Lake. These sales showcase the premium premium that buyers are willing to pay for prime locations, whether that's a sprawling neighborhood in a prestigious neighborhood like Fox Farm, or a property with a coveted lake views and access. Of course, the heart of the market lies in providing accessible mountain living. Let's look at the most affordable homes that sold in August, proving that the dream of owning a cabin is very much alive. The 5 most affordable sales start with 224 East Mountain View Boulevard, a cozy cabin that sold for $299,000. Next is a home at 1178 Pine Ridge Lane, which sold for $285,000. Then we have 516 Los Angeles, which sold for $255,000. Second on our list is at 119 Dawn Drive in Big Bear City, which sold for $243,000. And as mentioned before, the most affordable home sold in August was 510 Sugarloaf Boulevard for $171,000. These sales are so important because they represent the entry point into our wonderful community, allowing more people to experience the joy of mountain living. To recap, August 2025 was a robust and healthy month for Big Bear real estate. We saw strong sales volume, a wide array of price points, and activity across all of our unique neighborhoods. The market appears very balanced, with fair conditions for both motivated sellers and determined buyers. As we move into autumn months, we anticipate that the appeal of the Cozy Mountain Retreat will keep demand steady. Thank you for joining me today on this detailed market analysis for August 2025. I hope this information has been valuable to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.